Hello everyone, welcome to this week's adventure. We are going for a waterfall hike here in Kanching Waterfall Park. This place is actually in between KL and Rawang. It's quite a well-known area, but also my first time here. We are about to go for this amazing 7-tier waterfall hike. My first time also. The last time I've been to a waterfall was actually in Melbourne, in Great Ocean Road. So I'm pretty excited for this place. We probably drove about an hour from where I live. The weather right now is quite cooling. I hope it won't rain. You can see this place is already quite packed with all of the cars. People have been arriving since the early morning. We are considered quite late. Walking towards the entrance, there's actually a river on our left. Oh yeah, and there's like lots of monkeys around here. So please be careful, they might steal your belongings. This is the map. We are now at the entrance part. So we might walk up to level 1, 2, 3, 4 depending on our mood, I guess, because I heard that once you go to the high levels there's no concrete path, everything is all jungle tracks. So this place is very peaceful, fairly easy to walk. You can see it's just straight pavements down. We've been walking for about maybe 10 minutes and we've approached the first waterfall. You can actually hear the sound. This is level 1, I think. So you have to be quite careful because it is not paved and you might slip. First waterfall. The current is so strong. Let's walk down, shall we? We are now going to enter the third waterfall area. So climbing up this flight of stairs. It's quite steep actually, it goes all the way up here and it's covered with a lot of monkeys. Literally the monkeys are all over the rails. So please be careful if you have any food. I'm actually pretty scared. Okay, good monkey. Up we go. Oh, wow, look at that. Third waterfall we've arrived, and if you look all the way up to the back, that would be the fourth waterfall, which I think actually they're all interconnected. So it goes like this all the way back down to where we were just now. So basically it's one giant long waterfall. Recommend coming here, guys. It's really nice and peaceful to go for a swim, relax and unwind from the city life stress and absorb nature. So my waterfall journey has come to an end. I really love this place. It's very peaceful. Highly recommended to come. And I've only managed to visit 4 waterfalls instead of 7. due to lack of time, but I will definitely visit next time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!